Hello everybody! We arrived here in Arusha yesterday evening and where we will now spend a couple of days. Reason is that Arusha is the focal point for travelers wanting to, for instance, climb Kilimanjaro, visit the wilderness of Masai Mara, Serengeti, or take on some maintenance on themselves or on our truck. In this case, to overhaul and maintain a critical fuel pump. A couple of us decided to visit the Ngorogoro crater some 150 kilometers away. The Ngorogoro crater is 20 by 20 kilometers. Within those 400 square kilometers, you will find the most kind of mammals you have here in this part of Africa. They are all attracted by the water in the former volcano. Not the lake though, which is a saltwater lake, but the ponds and the rivers feeding it.
Alex, what do you say of life?
Yeah, life's pretty good at the moment.
Yeah.
In Ngorogoro crater. Beautiful scenery.
Now, that was the serious part. After having covered 4 of the big 5, only a rhino missing, it was time for 1 or 2 for the road. Next stop is Marango, so stay tuned.